If you get an open house coming up, the Listings to Leads platform is one of the best ways to generate both buyer leads and seller leads, but also to engage and convert them. I'm going to walk you through just two of the tools in Listings to Leads and show you how to use them. And then I'm going to point you in the right direction to where you can get all of the great marketing tools to generate leads, but also how to host and engage people at the open house and for follow-up as well. This is a Facebook lead ad, takes literally 15 seconds to do. And when people click the ad, which is fully customizable, you can retarget, you can add custom questions, and you're going to see here, these three questions are actually default. What is your time frame to buy? Would you like my free ultimate guide to buying a home? If they say yes, we're going to send them your branded guide from Listings to Leads, over 100 pages long. And then, do you have a home to sell? And people are going to click through, name, email, and phone number on the next slide, and then they're going to go to your Listings to Leads single property website. This is also connected to the AI text follow-up in Listings to Leads if you activate that, or it can go to your CRM where you can activate it there. One of our clients just got a lead a couple of months ago. The AI text converted it, and the client got that into a contract for $500,000, closing in about a week from now. So congratulations to him. We've got a Nearby Homeowner Letter promoting the open house, as you can see here. Whether you mail it or door knock with this is one of the best ways to get more seller leads that are great to convert. Also to get more people to the open house, similar to the ad. And this will help generate great listings. We've got this at every single status of the listing to include just listed, pending, just sold. This one here for the open house. It can also be edited to support a neighborhood preview. So if you have a neighborhood preview like on a Wednesday or Thursday night, you can edit this for that as well. And these are just two of the many different tools to include the open house sign-in forms, both print and the online version. In your Listings to Leads account, go ahead and log in. You are going to land on the dashboard. Go ahead and click the Listings tab like you see right here, Listings. And I'm going to show you how to do the ad, where that Nearby Homeowner Letter is at, and then where all of the other tools are, including how to do Instagram stories and TikToks with links and polls for even more engagement for absolutely free on social media. I've got an open house at 15 Ambient Way. Click the green market listing button. For the full write-up, including the ads, the Nearby Homeowner Letter, click Learn More under View Step-by-Step Guide. And that's going to take you to this page here. It's a great read if you've never read it before. Notice also there's an open house cheat sheet that if you click, there's some really great links there. Links that just don't really fit into the system or support. Some of them are from our Mastermind group as well. And the first thing I'm going to do is click Facebook and Instagram ad. We're going to do an ad, and then I'm going to point you and show you where that letter is. Now, Facebook lead ads for open houses are averaging $5 a lead. Name, email, phone number, plus the answers to those custom questions. All you have to do once you enter the work area, location is going to autofill, 15-mile radius, special housing ad category, privacy policy. All of those three questions are automatically done for you. We got a lifetime budget of 35. Really, the only thing I recommend changing is that. Now, you can change the text. I can change the image. I could put a video here. I could also retarget. I could put it to a custom audience for an open house. I don't really recommend that. And then create ad. And that is it. You're going to see an ad exactly like what you saw in the opening of this video, where people are going to click it. Those three questions will come up. They're going to answer them. If they say yes to the guide, they're going to get the guide automatically. If you do not have the AI text follow-up with Listings to Leads, you're going to see it right here after the ad is submitted. You can click here. You can sign up for it. It's $50 for the first 2 months, up to 50 conversations. And that will work to automatically qualify those leads immediately after that lead is generated. We also recommend, of course, that you follow up with those leads as well. And the Nearby Homeowner Letter, one of the top ways to get people, to get neighbors at your open house. You're going to see it sits in an editor. So if I need to edit it for whatever reason, I can. It's got a scannable QR code, a text code, the URL that people can go to. And we've had clients door knock, get listings from this. People mail it out, get listings from it. But it's one of the best ways to get people to your open house that live right in the area. We've also got the open house sign-in form that's completely customizable. We got listing flyers, over 50 different formats, no Canva needed, and a lot of other great tools that you can use as well. So if you have any questions on this, get into the Mastermind group, get with our support. We'll talk to you soon.